So what's up guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are up again with an interesting topic, that is top 7 fastest car in the world. But before we begin, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update on the world's top 7s. And if you like our content, then please give this video a thumbs up, it will be highly appreciable. And one more thing, if you want me to make a video on a particular topic, do let me know in the comment section. So what we do here, we tell you the names of the cars and then little bit of description about that car. So plug in your headphones and get ready. Let's go. So at number 7, we have Hennessey Venom GT with a top speed of 270 miles per hour. On Valentine's Day in 2014, John Hennessey of Hennessey Performance declared an end to his feud with Bugatti. After years of sparring, the American car manufacturer saw his Venom GT seize the world record for fastest car on NASA's Kennedy Space Center's runway. The car took 2 full years to engineer and develop. 29 were made. The manufacturer has only let them go for approximately 1.2 million apiece. The supercar itself is gorgeous, with sinus curves and a sleek body, featuring an ultralight carbon fiber chassis. The Venom GT almost reads feline, as if it's a Black Panther poised to leap forward at any second, and leap it does. The Venom GT reached a top speed of then unprecedented 270 miles per hour. While performing its world record test, it achieved an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.05 seconds. Now, moving forward, at number 6, we have Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus with a top speed of 304 miles per hour. Bugatti has been a storied name in luxury hypercars for years. Naturally, the intensely upgraded quad turbocharged W16 that powers the Chiron upgraded the speed of this iconic. The speed added some brawn to the beauty, with the result that now Bugatti has not one but 2 places in our ranking of the fastest cars of 2021. It was very first car to cross the then unheard of barrier of 300 miles per hour. It still represents a flawless balance between form and function, aerodynamics and aesthetics, with an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. This Bugatti certainly has speed and style, all at the same time. At number 5 and next in the lineup of Hennessey's record-breaking vehicles is another in John Hennessey's Venom line, the F5. The name is a reference to the very fastest type of tornado, a natural force that the Hennessey emulates with its immense power and incredible speeds. Under the hood of the Venom F5 is an American-made twin turbocharged engine. The result? Nearly 2000 horsepower. This gives the Venom F5 precisely what it needs to reach at top speed of 301 miles per hour. Its acceleration is equally impressive, as it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. At number 4, we have Bugatti Bolide with a top speed of 310 miles per hour. Bugatti's Bolide is a lightweight hypercar that showcases the true extent of Bugatti's range in terms of beauty, power and innovation. Using the same bespoke engine from storied Chiron line but with more turbos to amplify the effect, the Bolide will truly show the world what W16 motor is capable of. It's also light, futuristic. Powder blue paint sits sparingly on its exposed carbon fiber frame. And tiny, the Bolide only stands 39.2 inches off the ground. Its claimed top speed is 310 miles per hour. It can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.17 seconds. Thus far, it may seem that the race to determine the fastest car of 2021 has been mostly between 2 auto manufacturers, Bugatti and Hennessey. That makes sense. They are both impeccably pedigreed houses producing incredible cars just packed with raw power. But that doesn't mean they have got this race. Introducing the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a hypercar that ups the ante by an astonishing 20 miles per hour. For a long time, if anyone wondered what the fastest car in the world was, it was definitely this car. The Jesko Absolute reaches a top speed of 330 miles per hour. The manufacturer has not released the acceleration information yet, but with that type of top speed, it's sure to be impressive. Next, on number 2, we have SSC Tortara with a top speed of 331 miles per hour. What's faster than 330 miles per hour? You might wonder. Simple answer, 331 miles per hour. North America based SSC has built a beautiful supercar that's simply packed with the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. In October 2020 in Nevada on a 7-mile stretch of road, Shelby Supercars confirmed that their fastest supercar has reached an eye-watering speed of 331 miles per hour. The SSC Tortara boasts an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Now it's the time for the beast, the car which beat all the supercars till now. Introducing you the number 1 car, Devil 16. Meet Devil 16, the hypercar born to give Bugatti and Hennessy nightmares. Devil 16 was said to be able to churn out an eye-popping 5000 horsepower from a quad-turbo V16 engine with a top speed that would exceed 300 miles per hour. Devil 16 is born with extreme performance and unimaginable outstanding power of 10 supercars to pioneer a new era that have never been achieved before. The all-new production model of Devil 16 has super lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber body, 81mm quad-turbo 12.3-liter V16 engine generates massive power, 5007 horsepower and 3757 pound-foot of torque. So these were the top 7 fastest cars in the world. If you liked our content, then please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.